Hi YouTubers, today we're going to be talking about Alison.com, one of the biggest free learning sites on the actual web. Please do stay tuned. At the end I'll tell you a little bit more about their friends and family program. Thank you. Hi YouTubers, it's Keith from Lakeland Learning again. Thank you for tuning in again today. I just want to talk about Alison.com courses again. So we're now on the main screen, the home page for Alison. So first of all we look at the actual 9 categories of courses that they have, which we touched on in the previous video. So first of all we're looking at the technology side. So that's everything from an updated technology side from mobile apps, software tools, network and security, core IT skills. I mean, specifically when you look at core IT skills, you're looking at everything from the courses that you can do on their website, training suites, digital literacy, computer basics, typing skills, understanding advanced search uses for Google, productivity programs, everything that you could possibly want through an actual digital course. Also working with the internet, Microsoft Digital Literacy, which is a good course, and obviously knowing your actual surroundings, knowing the actual website, media pages that you need to do your courses. Also as well to do your research, which is always a good thing. Obviously as well you've got the actual courses that can actually make you a software engineer, as we've got there, all the way through to working on the hardware, being an actual computer person, a tech that we always go to get our computers fixed. Also as well the way things are going on the web, also as well with gaming, also doing courses for game development. We look at software development, really big field, obviously databases for your day-to-day Excel spreadsheets, other things such as that. IT management, I mean that could be a relevant pathway of courses that you could go down, all the way through to data science with Python courses. Now, if you've been looking on Outlook, you will be familiar with such things as the Office 365, which is a new program or a new feature within Outlook. Also as well work on things such as Diploma for Information Technology, and also understanding information controls for IT managers. So anybody IT managers out there, you can work with those actual courses to get you up to speed, so you can actually go for the jobs that you require. Okay. So just have to mention as well, I know we mentioned in the last video, but we also got to mention about about the friends and family referral scheme. I mentioned in the last video that this is it's a big part of how and why Alison.com can actually be a free portal for education courses. Is the way they actually make revenue is from sponsors, also as well from fees that can take in for digital certificates and digital diplomas. But obviously if you get on board, you talk to a lot of people, a lot of friends, family, colleagues, try and get them signed up, then potentially you can work on, as it says there in front of you, 3 friends for a course, 25 friends for a complete course, and then you earn your diploma. Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks again for watching. Same as what I said last week, is really supportive. Really thankful for the support I get from the subscribers. Also, please do like these videos, and if you can subscribe, it is going to be down at the bottom of the screen. Please watch us next week. Thank you.